So I'm back, and she finished. She had 2 more to make, but she finished with everything. She's fantastic. And you work really hard. And she over-delivered. So, you know, I really appreciate that. She over-delivered. And then Mama is here today. This is owner. Mama is owner of this shop, Home of Heritage Beads. And about Home of Heritage Beads.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you say?
What do you want to tell everyone about this awesome, magnificent place you have created?
This is Heritage Home of Beads. I have different kinds of beads. Both new beads and old beads.
New and old beads. So she's new and ancient beads. What they love to use the word antiquity. They like that word, antiquity. Look at this one. She wanted a gogoro. She wants to try to shake me down for a gogoro earlier today. I told her I don't have it. Mokimu gogoro.